Behind these walls lies a process few have ever witnessed. This is a modern snake meat processing facility.
Every step here follows strict safety and hygiene standards.
Protective gear is mandatory inside the factory.
Live snakes arrive under controlled conditions.
Each snake is carefully inspected for health.
Every animal is recorded and tracked digitally.
Stress-free handling helps preserve meat quality. Conditions are monitored around the clock. Health tests are performed before processing begins.
Hygiene is taken extremely seriously.
Snakes are rendered unconscious to prevent suffering.
Modern technology ensures accuracy and safety. Even containers are separated to avoid cross-contamination.
Skinning is done using specialized equipment. This ensures minimal waste and maximum efficiency.
The meat is thoroughly cleaned. Machines cut the meat into uniform portions. Precision guarantees consistency.
Every piece is checked by trained staff.
Heat treatment removes harmful bacteria.
Exact temperatures are carefully controlled.
Rapid cooling preserves texture and freshness. Cold rooms slow bacterial growth. Some products are lightly seasoned. All handling remains fully sanitized. Each portion is accurately measured. Packaging is sealed to lock in freshness. This prevents contamination during transport. Every pack is labeled for traceability. Products are organized for storage.
Frozen storage extends shelf life.
Every batch is digitally logged. No part goes to waste.
Skins are reused for other industries.
Bones are processed under strict rules. Waste is handled responsibly. Environmental safety is a priority.
Water quality is constantly tested.
Equipment is cleaned after every cycle. Automation reduces human contact. Only approved products move forward. Ready for shipment.
Temperature control never breaks.
The cold chain begins.
Products reach markets safely. Available for consumers.
Used in traditional and modern dishes.
Flavor preserved through careful processing.
Ready to serve.
Operations continue day and night. Strict routines are followed daily. Regular maintenance ensures safety. Efficiency meets precision. Every detail matters. Nutritional standards are verified. Some products are shipped globally.
Quality travels worldwide.
Every step is controlled. Precision defines the process. Prepared for the next cycle. Modern processing at its peak. An unseen industry revealed. From snake to table.
Every step matters.